Hey guys, my name is Shivashankar Kamath. Welcome to Isha Vasya Divya Siddhi Academy. In this video, I am going to take you through self-belief, its definition, its role in one's life, and the causes of having low self-belief. Everyone in his or her life wants to grow from the point A, that's the current situation, to the point B, that is the point in life he or she really wants to reach. But in real life, one has to travel that path from point A to point B to achieve the intended destination. It's a journey. In this journey, one comes across many obstacles or roadblocks. There are two kinds of roadblocks, inner roadblocks and the outer world roadblocks. Inner roadblocks are created majorly by the mind. The outer roadblocks can be fear of failure, fear of rejection, fear of denial, fear of losing something like money. In order to clear the inner world roadblocks, we would need certain mind tools, techniques, and strategies. Now, let us see what is self-belief. It's also called as self-efficacy. By definition, self-belief is the person's belief in his or her abilities to achieve certain success in life, maybe to complete certain tasks as well. If you say to yourself loudly that I can do it, there is a greater possibility that you will do it successfully. Else, if you say yourself loudly that you cannot do it, there is a greater chance that you will never do it. Whether you say I can do it or I cannot majorly depends on your self-belief. If you don't believe in yourself, tell me who else will believe in your abilities. So it's very important to know the importance and impact of self-belief in our lives. Now let us see what are the causes of having low self-belief. Unsupportive parents or unhappy childhood. In dysfunctional family, the parents may be fighting all the time in front of the children, or the parents may not be paying attention and love to the children. Unsupportive jobs or career. You may be working for the sake of getting money, but it's not taking you anywhere and you are sad about your conditions. Bad or unsupportive friend circle may create negative impact on your mind. Stressful life events like divorce, spouse betrayal may cause major emotional stress in one's life. Certain accidents or passing away of closest person in the family may cause trauma in one's life. Someone in the family or known circle may abuse as well. Poor performance at school or unrealistic goals like everyone should be pleased to talk to me, etc. Competitions and comparisons may also lead a person to depression or mood disorders. Anxiety, such as lack of sleep, lack of concentration, etc., will also have negative impact. Somebody in the known circle, bullying may create loneliness, causing negative impact. Ongoing medical issues or financial conditions, etc., are also the causes of low self-belief. As a result, the person will start doubting his or her own abilities to overcome the situations they are currently in. In the next video, I am going to take you through deeper aspects of self-belief and how to develop the self-belief, etc. So please keep watching our videos, comment, like, share and subscribe. Thank you and all the best.